And what that means is when the devil challenges me, I just say, you get away, you mongrel. Bless the Lord. You're awesome. Oh, Jesus.
It's not always what you think.
You're a father.
Oh, Lord. Well,
give us your best tip.
thing on being a father? Well, I think the key to being a father is just to love the kids, you know, and just hang out with them, do lots of fun things, you know. So it was a great blessing. So, yeah. So I won't be here for Father's Day, but bless you all and have lots of fun and hang out with all those kids and enjoy them.
Awesome.
And life is short, you know. You've got to enjoy them while they're going.
And I'm with Bill on this. Love your fathers, love your kids.
Absolutely.
Encourage them.
Yes.
Just a tow ride on the run. How did I get here? What have I done? When will all my hopes arise? How will I know him when I look in my father's eyes? My father's eyes. When I look in my father's eyes. When I need them, that's when I need my father's eyes. My father's eyes. That's when I need my father's eyes. My father's eyes. Like a bridge that was washed away, my foundation
alofa lava, Yesu alofa I oe, Yesu alofa I le lalo lagi, tō whātawhua.